Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you got to go to your search bar and find services. Now, click on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, just got to find a service called the VGC. Okay, right here. So, double click on VGC. Now, startup type right here, set it to automatic. Hit on apply. Now click on start, wait for the process to finish right here. And after that, just click on OK. Once done, close this one. Now find your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. And then here we are going to find Vanguard. Okay, so click on the three dots, uninstall it, uninstall, click on yes, as there will be a pop-up. Yes, once more. Just wait for the process to finish right here. Okay. So once it's gone, go ahead and close this one. Open up Riot Client. And when you go ahead and open it up, it will ask you to restart your Valorant or any other Riot games. Okay, so you just got to follow the simple prompt. Click on Valorant and just click on Update. Now, once the update is done, it will ask you to restart your computer. So do not forget to restart your computer once the update is done right here. All right, that's basically it. That is how you fix Valorant. Your game requires a system restart to play. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.